In this video, we're going to have fun with an easy photo transfer method, some magazine scraps, and yeah, coloring pencils. So today we're going to do photo transfer, and we're also going to use magazine backgrounds, magazines in the background. Thank you for joining me in my studio. So these are basically the supplies we're going to use today, and there are links below this video to all the supplies I'm using in this video. I'm going to use Citrusol for this transfer, but you can use any other essential oil. You don't have to use Citrusol, it's basically the same thing. And below this video I will list other essential oils you can use. We are also going to use magazine scraps, and generally speaking, low-end magazines usually work pretty well. You can even use flyers and junk mail. So we're going to start with the magazine scraps to create the background for our photo. So I'm placing the side of the magazine I want to transfer face down, and I apply the Citrusol to the back. And you know it's working if the back of the magazine is smearing. Next, I rub the back with a bone folder in order to transfer the magazine image onto my sketchbook. I continue and do the same thing with the rest of the magazine scraps until I'm happy with the background I created. Okay, I think I'm done with the background. This is the photo I'm going to transfer. It was printed with my laser printer. I place it face down onto the background, and I tape it down so it doesn't move during transfer. And just like I did before, I apply the Citrusol to the back of my image. And I burnish the back with a bone folder. But you can use any other tool you have, like a spoon or an old credit card. So now that the transfer is done, I can leave it and be done, but today I want to color it. And I'm going to use soft pastel pencils. Again, links to these pencils are below this video in the description area. By the way, if you're interested in learning how to image transfer and gel print your own photos, make sure to check out my online classes. They are fun and easy. They are also ongoing, which means you can sign up immediately and take them at your own pace, whenever you have time, no pressure. So if you're interested, check out the links to the online classes below this video. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to check out my latest book, the Mixed Media Photography book. It's available in print on Amazon, and a digital ebook version is available on Etsy. And yes, you guessed it, there are links to the book below this video. Okay, I think this photo transfer painting is done. And here we have a few more photo transfers over magazine background that I made in my sketchbook. Some of them are also painted. And here I'm quickly going to show you that this same method can be done on wood as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.